we're finishing up the Lethal Performance dual pump fuel system, and then right now we're taking apart the pulley bridge to take off the blower. So you guys know on the Eaton 0304 Cobras, in order to take off the stock blower, or any blower for that matter, you have to take out the pulley bridge. It's a bunch of 13 millimeter bolts, and once you do that, you'll be able to take out the pulley bridge, and that'll allow you to take out the supercharger. I'll take that out, and then we should be good to go, and we can swap the blower on potentially. So we'll see you guys in a bit. I think we took it out that way. This shit's ready to come off though, no?
Yeah. Pull it up.
I'll take it your way.
Just get it.
Okay guys, so if you come over here, we have the Gen 5 Whipple, and we flipped it upside down so we can check. But as you can see, those are the rotors inside the housing. Looks very good, and we are currently cleaning the intercooler right now as we speak. And compare that to the old one, and as you can see, it's a much different setup, so much bigger, and it's going to be forcing so much more air compared to the Eaton. Plus the Eaton gets super hot. So let's continue with the rest of the video, and we're going to have a Gen 5 Whipple Supercharged Cobra soon.
Over there.
God damn, this is stanky. We actually used Abraham's unit, and that was an older unit that was a lot dirtier. So
Don't look at me like that, Eder. Don't you ever look.
all right guys, so we are routing the return and feed lines under the subframe connectors right here, and that's going to route up to the front of the car, obviously. So we're up through here, and then over the kind of over the diff, and then you guys will see when we finish the whole product. But that's how we're routing the lines, and you know, ultimately it's up to you guys on how you guys want to route it. I think that the top few things that you guys want to do is definitely don't have it near something that's moving. Just have it away from the moving components as much as you can. I know we have it kind of near parts of the suspension, but ultimately it's above everything and it's not going to touch that. So that's the best thing. And then we're connecting the fuel filter right there, and then we should be good to go. And then we'll show you guys how we're going to wire the whole system, and we should be good to go. Excuse the mess, obviously. We're working on the car. We got the Gen 5 Whipple chilling right there, and we're doing a garage built Terminator Cobra with their latest and greatest Gen 5 Whipple. So as you can see, that is the fuel pressure regulator, and we're gonna mount it probably just in this section right here. And it's just because the motor is so congested with a lot of parts. You guys know that it's the new Edge body style with the 2-valve motor, super big. You got tons of room, but when you cram this 4-valve motor in, it makes it look so much smaller than what it really is. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys with that, and yeah. All right guys, so as you can see, we have the Division X fuel hat, which we kind of had some problems putting the pumps in, but we got that all resolved. And what we're doing now is we're connecting the feed and return line. So this is the feed line right here on the right side. That is like what, a -8 or -10? This is a -10 right here, and then this is a -8 return. So as you guys know, feed, it's a return style fuel system. We're gonna continue doing that, and hopefully we'll show you guys how we routed the line. So it goes kind of up and over the IRS, and then it goes back and loops into this area section right here, and that is a fuel filter right there where you can disconnect to change the filter. All right guys, so pretty much we made some progress on the Lethal Performance 1400 rear wheel horsepower fuel system. So as you guys know, we have the Division X fuel hat with their dual pump setup, so each one supports about 700 horsepower. So if one goes out, it's still supporting 700, but that's the whole thing with that. So we got the lines routed as well. There's many ways you can route the lines, but we just did it like I explained earlier. And then all left to do is just plug and play. So the power is going all the way up to the battery. So we went from here through the back seat, took out the back seat right here. I know the car looks like a mess, but we got it through here, and then opened the door, and then we routed through the door panel section up into the front of the motor over here. And as you can see, we have there's a grommet right there. And as you can see, there's the grommet right there, and we put the wires through. The best way to do is, because that grommet is really thick, what we'll do is you have to put the zip tie on it, and then we just pulled it through because it's kind of hard to actually get a grip on it. And then yeah, we should be good to go. Wow. So guys, we have the fuel pressure regulator right here. As you can feel, there's actually flow going through it into the lines and then back in as a feed and return. So we're just making sure that there's no leaks, and we'll be good with the fuel system. Hopefully just put the tank up and we'll be good to go. But we just want to make sure that there's no leaks and it's getting power through here. And you can check the gauge. We got like 50 PSI of fuel, which is a lot of pressure. But yeah, we'll let you guys know on the update and hopefully slap the Gen 5 on at some point. So keep you guys updated. Cool. Just rest it on the... Oh shit. Oh. Holy f. It actually looks like it clears pretty good. Alright guys, so as you can see we have the Gen 5 Whipple. It looks kind of bluish on camera, but it's actually purple. But it just shows up in different lightings. But we got the Gen 5 Whipple all mounted up and let you guys know how it goes. We got Thang's car in for some work as well, so he has to put on his front bumper. I guess something happened to it. What happened to it?
I broke it. I crashed the car. I crashed it. He
crashed his GT500 5.0.
Hey, look at my front liner. Right now, look. It smashed the tire on the freeway and you're putting down.
What? We're gonna fix Thang's car today, so hopefully that goes well. After working on the Whipple, we'll just drive it up. And all right, guys. So we have Mr. Towfiq's 10-speed. And what wheels did you get on the car?
Rohan RFX 11.
Oh, he said I know all the details. So we just bought some spacers. I know honestly, hub-centric spacers are the safest route you can go aside from just the normal ones because they have their own studs, and that's what we're gonna do. And the only reason why is because I guess this got the wrong offset, which means that the the offset caused the wheel to hit the brakes, so we couldn't make them work. So now we have 25 or 20 millimeter spacers.
Yeah,
20 millimeter spacers. So let's try to mount it and see if hopefully it clears. I think.
Should we do what we did? I lift, you put it.
No, right there we go. You're good. Wait.
Oh, don't be serious.
What's hitting?
What's hitting?
Oh no, nothing. The stock studs are hitting the actual spacer, which causes this to not push in.
Bigger spacer?
No.
Because think about it, bigger spacer. Like,
hold up. You're saying the bolts hit?
They hit the inside of it.
Do they?
Yeah, because look, put your finger through it. Put your finger through this. You can feel it. There's like something inside.
It's stuck? Oh. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Oh shit! He got your hour and a half. He doesn't live up to what he's saying. Hey, you ready for the 800 horsepower Cobra though?
Yeah. Yeah. You going for a ride? You gonna give me a ride?
Yeah. So we're back part 2 with Towfiq's 10-speed because, well, Towfiq. Up to you.
A little bit more, huh?
Because as you guys know, Towfiq is trying to put on his wheels where he got the wrong offset for. When I've told him multiple times to get the right offset, so he got like 6,000 spacers. So we're gonna see if that works. Do you think it's gonna work?
No.
That's a spam post, huh? That's a spam post, huh?
The car is over for you.
Let me see.
Huh?
That's a spam post. Huh?
That's a spam post.
Spinner one.
That's what the? Oh, they got thin ass ones, huh?
Yeah, go. Pop that bitch on.
You're good. You're good. You're good. Okay. Try it. So you guys know that he got Rohana. What are the specs, or what's the?
RFX 11, 20 by 10, running 275.
But he got the wrong offset, and it caused it to hit the brake.
No, they don't have it in stock anywhere.
Well, that's their fault.
They
I don't
make
know.
it.
We'll try.
They only make one more, but it's
You want me to try to? What do you want me to do?
You have to get a size bigger to get the right offset. Holy shit!
It's hot.
Yeah. This one's 316.
All right, let's try that one. But do you think you'll have enough stud to put on, like screw in?
Yeah. Right now, which is crazy. You should see. Do they fit? No way!
What?
What the fuck?
What? Yeah, you got a small ass tire.
That's a 20.
No, I said you got a what? This is a 20 sidewall? You got a 30 sidewall. You need 35. I'm telling you, he never listened to my advice when I told him to get 35.
No, it's the, what do you call it?
The wheel gap.
No.
Freshman in high school, and I would tell him.
I'll stop because so they don't think that. What do you call it? You're explaining it all to me.
Shit,
we're in freshman We're freshmen. We always have video ideas and all that shit.
And guess
some
what?
Kids will talk shit.
I know.
But look at you now. Still work in progress, but you hit
Still
that
work in
milestone.
progress. Like
Still
I'm
hit
not.
that milestone.
I haven't feel like I hit that point. I will never feel like I hit that point. But I will say that I feel like I made
by
progress step by step.
Things that you changed, the black stuff inside. That's the spring, right?
Ride with me in my S550. Slide with me, yeah, it's alright with me. Time flies when we ride through the city. Watch me drop a gear and disappear. Gotta thank the Lord that I made it here. See the opposition when he's in the rear.